Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. You're back once again on the OTOP channel, and that stands for one target, one purpose for the episode 122 for the week 5th December year 2022, and we are moving into the December month of Christmas. Alright, welcome back on a Monday morning 9 a.m. and this is the 122 episode. We are going to share with you the market opinions on one Singapore list call this week that is very special and going to pay your dividends. So stay tuned and stick to us for 10 minutes and you shall get some Christmas gift, well, as much as possible if you want it. Alright, let's take a look on last Friday, a little bit of feedback on what happened to the US market. Alright, Dow Jones closed 34 points, gains at a price of 34,429. S&P unchanged and Nasdaq was down 20 points. Everything was pretty flat, but the US non-farm payroll on Friday was better than expected, with a growth of 263,000 payrolls in November. That is higher than expectation. Alright, and the unemployment rate went down to 3.1%. That is also better than expected. So traders are all expecting perhaps another rate hike coming in the mid-December, which the FOMC will be held on the 13th and 14th, 2 evenings in the US hour of December. Right, now everybody is thinking whether the rate hike for mid-December will be 0.5% or 0.75%. But however, last week there was a little bit on selling down in the Dow Jones, alright, after the US figures showed a better than expected inflation, and traders are still expecting perhaps a rate hike going back to 0.75%. And the gold prices went up on Friday, alright, closing above $1,800, settling at the price of $18.11 US per ounce, alright, while the oil prices closed at $80, almost unchanged, $80.34, and the OPEC plus countries out of 23 members are going to meet up, alright, and talk about a deeper production cut. So let's stay tuned and see what's going to happen. Alright, nothing changes a lot, but this week, alright, we are going to look out for perhaps the US dollar to be a little bit weaker and followed by rebounds. Okay, and we shall take a revision back on last week what we talked about. Alright, last week we were mentioning on the S down, which is invert, okay, and inverted the Ultra Pro shares, how to short Dow Jones 30, okay, S down. Alright, and nothing changes a lot. We were talking about at this price of about $24.20, and it is still hovering here. So if you are keen to hold on to this position on putting up a long in the S down, we strongly recommend you can keep a hold on that, and the market may be recover, alright, after the sometime about mid-December when the rate hike news is going to be released. So not much risk on this, and you can still hold on to this. Okay, this is the previous market opinion in OTOP 121, and today for OTOP 122, alright, for the week 5th December year 2022, we're going to share with you one very interesting coal mining company that is listed in Singapore, known as Joe Energy. Alright, and the symbol is RE4, or the stock code is RE4. Joe Energy Resources. Taking a close look, it is trading at 38 cents, closing on Friday. Okay, market cap is 527 million Sing dollars. Alright, and the past performance, alright, we have seen a very good growth. The profit range of 28.2%, alright, as of 30th September year 2022. which is very, very high, and that's because the coal prices have been soaring and very steadily staying on the top side. Okay, and the financial health, all right, the asset on long-term and short-term both cover the debt, and most importantly, if you look at the debt here, it's very impressive. All right, the debt over equity ratio is only less than 1% for this company, which means, well, basically it is a debt-free company. All right, and most importantly, if you look at this, it is going to declare dividend. All right, dividend on the 6th December, which is this coming Tuesday. All right, that's tomorrow. All right, tomorrow, and the payout will be December 14th. Very fast. Okay, very quickly, just about 8 days after the ex-dividend date. So today is the 5th. Today, people will start to grab these stocks if possible. All right, and of course, after the dividend payout, we would still think that these stock prices will continue to stay strong, and we shall show you the technical chart later. All right, overall, this is a good stocks. All right, for December and for this week, OTOP 122. All right, continue to watch and observe these stocks. All right, and let's take a look at the technical chart. All right, looking at Joe Energy listing in Singapore. Okay, this is a chart based on Friday closing. All right, 0.375 or 0.38 cents is the closing price, Sing dollars. All right, with a crossing of EMA 4 and 20. Okay, and the dividend is going to be declared and pay out, declared tomorrow and paid out on the 8 days later, which is the 14th December year 2022. Okay, based on the 4-hour chart, we see a crossing of the EMA 4 and 20 on last Friday with a surge as of the market close. So this is going to be a very highly prone positive stocks if anyone gets an opportunity to long it. All right, and let's take a look at the weekly chart again on Joe Energy. Okay, possibly there's a continuation up over a couple of weeks back to the top side of maybe 42 cents or even up to 45 cents before profit taking will come in January. All right, so Joe Energy, RE4, the stock code for SGX Singapore Exchange, okay, is what we are going to share with you for this OTOP 122 for the week 5th December year 2022, and we hope you like it. All right, take a look at this because it may back you some good profits for this coming Christmas. And Merry Christmas to all the people, because it is just about 3 weeks at a corner that we're going to celebrate together. All right, stay tuned for our OTOP every Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time or Hong Kong time, Malaysia time. Come back next week and we shall continue to share. Like us and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.